we are here together with other like-minded lawyers or advocates of the High Court of Kenya to demonstrate against the open defiance of court orders and the rule of law by the sitting president, Mr. Dr. William Ruto. Now, what Dr. William Ruto is doing has some very dire consequences, especially in view of the interest and welfare of the members of the bar, in view of the interest and welfare of the interests of young lawyers. Young lawyers are grappling to get employment. Young lawyers are struggling to open their law firms. Young lawyers have no employment opportunities. And the open defiance of the court orders by the President of the Republic of Kenya is creating a state of hopelessness, a state of recklessness, because the members of the public are afraid that there is no need of seeking the advice, there is no need of seeking the services of lawyers, or particularly even young lawyers, because ultimately there will not be any respect of those court orders. Those court orders will just but be mere papers. That is why the president has been saying, quite unfortunately, that he is unstoppable, that his projects are unstoppable. This is sad. It's a very sad state in the history of this country. I am hoping that the president is going to reflect on his statements and know for sure that he is a creature of the Constitution. Had it not been for the powers bestowed upon my Lady Justice Mother Koome and the other honorable judges of the Supreme Court, he will not have ascended to that position of power. Had Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta sought to be as defiant as he is choosing to be, then he will not have ascended to that high office. And for that we ask with humility that President Daktari Baba Nick, tafadhali wachana na mahakama, respect the rule of law, respect our courts, wachana na mahakama, wacha watu waheshimu court orders. There will be a time that you will be needing the protection of this judiciary. Not so long ago, long after President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta defied court orders, refused even to swear in judges, his son's house was raided, and he was there running to the High Court seeking for protection orders. You will not be there for a very long time, Dr. William Ruto. You will one day need the protection of the judiciary. And when that time comes, we shall remember what you have done today, the kind of consequences you are putting young lawyers and advocates, the kind of consequences that you are giving to this country, the kind of business opportunities that you are setting aflight. Because investors are afraid of investing in this country. They are afraid of investing here largely because they know that if there will be any lack of respect of the terms of the agreement of the contract, then the court's orders, if issued, will not be obeyed. And that is why they are seeking that in the event that there will be some disrespect or there will be some disharmony in the implementation of any contractual obligation, then the seat of justice shall be in another country. What is that to us? You are denying us opportunities. Stop that defiance. Wacha kabisa.